This smells like a fart. It smells like a fart. Hey y'all, it's basically your favorite person in the whole wide world, back again with another video. And you saw by the title, today I'm gonna show y'all how I do my nails. Very simple, like shorts, white set. So here's what I have on here, how my hands are so far. And it looks kind of crazy, right? It looks kind of crazy. And then these. And I'm gonna tell you why. Well, I'll just tell you now, they're coming off like this because while I'm practicing, I'm not doing all the things that like keep the nail, the acrylic and the nail and the tip adhered to your fingers. So while I'm practicing, I just let them come off and then put it back on so I can like learn in the process and not damage my nails. And actually, me using this cuticle oil on my nails is making them grow so much. And yeah, I will show y'all everything that I have. I'm organizing my sanding bands, and let me just show y'all what I use and what I've been using. Okay, so I was organizing my sanding bands. This is the kind that I have. Super cute. The Melody Susie. If you all want, I will put this in the description box. 80s are the ones that you use to like go over your natural nail, like which you won't see me do in this video because like I said, I'm putting cuticle oil over, but you like go over your natural nail so that there is a rough surface there, you know, for stuff to adhere to. 120s, these guys are like, oh, you need something taken off but you don't want to go too crazy. Boom, I'm your guy. And 180 is like, okay, let's really clean this, let's clean this mess up. And so 80 gives me very much buff. 120 like, oh yeah, let's take this down a little bit. Let's take this down. 180 didn't come to play with nobody. So I don't know if you can see, but yeah, it's super evident when you look at it. You will know when you see it, babe. Like, you will know. This just looks, the surface looks way rougher, for real. This is the attachment that the bands go on. So you just take it off and then put it back on. Switch out the bands, and then, but I use this guy a lot. So when I learn more about those, I'll tell you about that. And then, so there's the drill. The system I got is from Young Nails. So this is their logo and stuff like that. And they say not to interchange liquids and acrylic systems. So this is the one I got to start. Yeah, it basically was the same amount as the other really popular brand, which I can't remember their name right now, but they text me all the freaking time since I put my freaking number on their website to get the little discount code, which is really annoying. But I also got these. It was a set, so it all came all together. I'll actually put a video of me unboxing this set so you know everything that comes in it. But yeah, the only color I will say I don't like in it right now, and there's a notable difference in how it's used or in how it takes to the liquid, like how it allows you to pick up, is this Core XX White. I absolutely hate it. I hate it so much. Yeah, I just hate it. I hate it so much. I hate it. I have to show you what I mean when I say like how it picks up, how it's smooth, how it irons out. Right now I have on Core Clear because I use that like as a base, and then I have the Core White right now, which I like that. It operates the same way, the clear, the natural. It's just something about this Core XX White that I don't know what chemical they put in or whatever, but it just will not act right. And I'm not gonna play with it because I'm not in love with that color. It came with brush on nail glue. And then it came with it came with this rose oil. This is the oil that I use to put on my nail bed so that it just comes up. This is their ultimate, this is their gel top coat basically. And let me just tell you, this has a horrible smell. It smells really bad, like really bad. And I'm not even talking about like just in general how people are like, oh, nail shops smell bad. Like This smells like a fart. It smells like a fart. That came with nail files. Conveniently, it only came with one 100 nail file, which is the one that you to like really shape the nails. So that's very inconvenient, but nonetheless, we're here now. It came with some tips. It came with clear tips, which is the one that I used. Now I have on my hands now, but it also came with some natural color nail tips, which I can't find. It came with, this is my brush, which I have allowed to get all dirty because if I were you, I would also invest in brush cleaner, just straight up, straightforward. But this is a nice brush. I like this brush. It's just too small. It's just too small. I can't pick up enough. Like, and maybe as I learn, I'll get better and be able to pick up more. Okay, what I'm going to say about that comment is I will get better, but more experienced nail techs use larger brushes so that they can do a more efficient application. It came with this little guy. It came with this protein bond, which I haven't tried because, like I said, I've been putting the cuticle oil on my nails. This nail clip did not come with it. The nail clip came with my practice hand. This is my practice hand. Yeah. Dang, where I nailed it. Okay. These pop off so easy. These pop off so easy. I don't know if it's like the one that I bought, but these come off so freaking easy, y'all. It's so annoying because when you first start, if you're anything like me, you'll be pulling at the nail. Like, you'll be pulling at it a whole lot. And this just slips off, and it's so annoying because once it slips off, it pulls off the nail. But this is my practice hand, and yeah, y'all, and this is what my practicing was looking like. I only practiced like twice before I was like, oh, ready to put this on my hand. See? Before I was like, oh, ready to put this on my hands. So kind of regret buying this bad boy. If you want it, let me know. I'll give it to you. You can have it. These 4 fingers take the same size tip, and then the thumb has a larger tip, and they're all mixed in this one big bag conveniently. I would say just practice on yourself or someone else if someone will let you practice on them. And make sure you tell them before you ask them, make sure you tell them the thing that I told you about, like them popping off if you put the cuticle oil on there. Here are the natural nail tips, which I haven't even bust open. These are the tips for the practice hand nail clip. That's where we are. That's where we are with the stuff we got. So let's just go ahead and get this party started. Hey y'all. In the next video, you'll watch me do my first full set on camera. And it gets a little crazy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you soon.